Hi, I'm Jessica with the Kurt Group, and I want to tell you about our new ARIES AscentStep 5.5-inch running board. These running boards come in a carbide black powder coat finish. They feature rigid steel construction and include integrated step pads. They're stylishly designed with a unique modern teardrop shape. AscentStep is installed onto the VersaTrac mounting system. The VersaTrac system uses vehicle-specific brackets to mount onto the vehicle for a no-drill install. These are the same versatile brackets that are compatible with several running board lines that Kurt Group offers. There is also a bracket cover option that gives a better overall finished look. For more information about this product or any ARIES product, please visit the website at ariesautomotive.com.